what? And okay, so hair building fibers. It's for bald guys. It's for filling up your hair. I wonder how that has to do with Bed Bath and Beyond. I guess, I mean, it would be in your bathroom, but this isn't really what we're supposed to be getting. So now I get a big plate with a hole in it. It's a Quicklotz gift gallery, microwave and dishwasher safe. And I want to point out, this is supposed to be clean. Look at this. This is filthy. I mean, just filthy. So everything that's come out of this box is going to cost us a bunch of money to clean, to fix, to test, to figure out what the heck it is. I mean, who wants a plate with a hole in it? This is how good of a job that they're doing at Quicklotz. They left an open razor blade in my pallet. Are you missing this? This one is another one of the suction cup things for your shower. This one's in pretty decent shape. And it apparently has the suction cups. So that's pretty neat. What do you think of that? It's a little crooked. Can use a little bit of straightening, but no biggie. Okay, so what the heck? The all-terrain coaster? The good news is it's got a patent pending. I wouldn't wait for that one to go through, guys. I mean, this is a cheap piece of plastic. Are you kidding? I think I heard my dad's truck leave. Now we have a globe set of lights. Now these are interesting. They're capable of being tuned to color as well as intensity. So there's an app that you download for them. These are called Globe. There's supposed to be 3 of them in here, and there are 3 of them in here. So, hey, that's good at least. Okay, everybody, moving right along. Next thing we're going to get out is, okay, this is just odd. It is an ice genie. It's a lot like a regular genie, but it doesn't grant wishes and it makes ice. Okay, interesting. So apparently what you do is you put water in there, then you put this thing down, and then you somehow crunch it up or something, and there's where your ice is. Isn't that weird? For instance, does it make sense to have this thing on here? Well, you're making 3 little cups of ice, and it's going to take up the amount of space in your freezer as 4 ice cube trays. What do you think? In my opinion. Moving right on, we've got a weird freaking hanger that's used for ties and belts and such as that. Look at that fancy hanger. I mean, honestly, that's in decent shape. It could clean up reasonably well. I don't know what it's worth. But yes, that's pretty cool. So we have a Harvest truck tablecloth. Don't worry, I actually have the tablecloth. This one's not a giant thing, so I might be able to open it up and see any flaws. See on that side, Mom?
No.
This one looks pretty well in perfect shape, in my opinion. Here, let me flip it over. See any on that side?
No, that's really cute.
Yep, that's a Harvest truck. And you know what? I know who wants to buy that already. What do you think? I'm not displeased with this item. So, I've got this, wow. Yeah, that about covers it. I've got this wow right here, okay? This is a silverware drawer tray situation where you can actually pick up all the forks if you wanted. I mean, that's what I'm seeing here. Is it
customizable for longer forks, so you can put your fancy shrimp fork in here and it'll hold it in nicely because you got it short?
I don't know. I will have to do some research on this. I will tell you, to me, I'm probably wrong. Silverware container, guys. What a giant silverware container. You know, this one might get bought by the Knutsons. We do need a good silverware container holder. Okay, so moving right along. We got a box here. It says Shop Forever 50 and Fabulous birthday gift. And it appears to be another wine glass. 50 and Fabulous wine glass. It is dirty and has like stickers on it, but I don't think it's got any real scratches on it. Nope. 50 and Fabulous. It does have a bubble right there. Do you see that? But what do you guys think? 50 and Fabulous. That'll be me in 9 years. I doubt I'll be fabulous, but that's interesting. So moving along. Oh. Well. Okay. Some giant zip ties, cable ties. And I will tell you, This bag is probably not cheap. Probably not cheap at all. That's probably a $30 bag because those are big old zip ties. And it's sealed. It's pretty neat. What do you think?
Is it a bed, bath, or bedroom?
I do agree with you there. However, I'm less concerned about the fact that it's not a bed, bath, or bedroom item and the fact that it's actually sellable.
Yeah.
We got something going on here, and it's way wonky. I don't know. This is definitely not right. So, you see that? Hold on to that for a sec. Some other things here that might have been attached to that. I don't know. Trying to figure it out. Bunches of stuff. I mean, I don't know. I have no idea what's going on here. Okay, so I think this may go with that, but I have no idea what that is. I mean, this obviously fits on here, but it has literally no description on the bag at all. But this is supposed to be, I mean, that's like rubber? That's weird. What do you think that is? It's something to mount on a wall or something.
Coat hook. Very modern coat hook.
But rubber balls? I don't know. That's odd. Okay. So, yeah, okay.
Click here or click here. And of course, click here to subscribe.